Hello and welcome to Virtue Hub Tech. I'm going to be showing you the Ulanzi Claw quick release. I'm also going to be demonstrating why these are essential accessories for your camera. So you get the base, which you can see over here, and you get the mount. The mount has a 1/4-inch screw, which you can screw into most cameras. There may be other use cases for this as well, maybe microphones or other prepper equipment that you may want to mount onto this. Really simple. Push down on this, falls right in. This is secure. Push down, lift back up. I have 3 of these and then 1 mounting plate. Now I'm going to show you why this is so useful. So I've only got 1 camera and I might want to reposition it so I can get different angles. Without a quick release, this is how that would look. You know what, I'm not even going to bother to finish it off, but so I'm trying to mount it up here onto this, but oops, but yeah, as you can see, it's a lot of unscrewing, turning the camera around and around and around. You're obviously putting your camera at risk. You might end up dropping it. So now I'm going to show you how this can make your life so much easier and just seamlessly transition from one angle to the other. Just pick up, move, clip into place. So the quick release is now installed and fitted. Watch how easy this is. Position 1. Position 2. Position 3. Back to position 1. Highly recommend it. It's a total breeze and I highly recommend it. And if you've only got 1 camera, this helps you to get the most out of your 1 camera, since you can just seamlessly move it around from one angle to the other with minimum effort. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our website www.virtuehub.com for more reviews, and we're also in the process of organizing a gaming event as well. So if you're into competitive gaming and you would like the opportunity to represent a team in racing, and there's other games coming as well, then sign up on our website www.virtuehub.com. Thank you.